If you're feeling a bit stressed, worried, or anxious, or maybe a bit emotionally overwhelmed, I'd like to show you something called the havening technique. It's the latest psychosensory therapy. Place your left hand on your right shoulder and your right hand on your left shoulder and gently stroke the side of your arms. Now, by doing this, you release more delta waves. You create a feeling of calmness and comfort. And I'd like you to continue stroking the side of your arms. And if it's safe to do so, close your eyes. And I'd like you to imagine that you're walking on a beach. And with each footstep that you take in the sand, I'm going to count out loud from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And as you stroke the side of your arms, I'd like you to remember a happy time, any happy time. Maybe relaxing with friends or laughing. Maybe you'd achieved something, or you were just enjoying a beautiful day. Return to it like you're back there again. Now, see what you saw, hear what you heard, and feel how good you felt. Keep stroking the side of your arms. And notice where you feel the good feelings strongest of all. And give them a color, any color you like. And move that color up through your neck into your head, down through your shoulders, into your arms and hands and fingers, down through your stomach. Move that color all the way into your legs to the tips of your toes, surrounded by this beautiful, comforting feeling. And now say these words after me. Safe, peaceful, hopeful, calm. Let's do that again. Safe, peaceful, hopeful, calm. And then just relax your arms and come on back out. And notice how much calmer you feel.